No. Hello family and friends, we're back out here at the property. We're going to be putting up tarps, getting ready for winter. We have to tarp both sides of the RV carport to keep the snow from coming in on the trailer while we're gone. And so that's the plan for today. And then we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, I was going to fill you in on the burial of the propane line. So this is a piece of pipe holding, just marking where the propane thing comes up right there. This is where the shed will end up getting built to hold solar batteries, and the solar propane generator will go right here. And our neighbor Jim buried it all for us, and we've had nothing but rain, so making a muddy mess. But we have gravel that we will come in and fix this. And all of this is done just in time because it should start snowing supposedly tonight, so we'll see. And there's the propane, or not the propane, the solar array pole. So the line runs all the way over there. And just in time. So we're taking down the summer sunshade so we can put up the tarps on this side of the building because it's going to start snowing and we don't want the snow blowing in under the RV carport affecting the RV. It'll help cut the wind and it'll help it stay a little bit warmer in there. So that's what we're doing.
It's easy this way.
Okay.
We're figuring it out. I forgot how I did it last year.
We're stitching tarps. Okay,
I'll hold this and you just beat. This way we've been doing it. Beat from the back. And then all we do is bungee tie to each leg of the carport, or the RV pole. And it holds it up there. We had it on, well, you saw before if you watched the earlier videos.
All right, now we're gonna move to the other side. I don't know why that side was so much harder, but we both have bloody hands from working around all that metal. But it's covered for the winter, and we'll weight down the bottoms, and then gonna get a few things from here to take to the little house, and we'll be done. Yeah, Dwayne said next year we need to put on vinyl metal siding. Yes, yes we do. All right, I wanted to get some video of this from the inside. It doesn't feel claustrophobic in here at all because I think it's because it's white. So a friend, the Sutherlands, suggested this to us because how much the snow blew in on them, and this helped them, and so we're trying it too. And I don't feel claustrophobic at all because you can still feel or see light. even though winter has arrived in the Pacific Northwest, so we probably won't see the sun much longer. Welcome to the gray skies. 6 months of the year. So don't move to Idaho, because this is what it looks like 6 months of the year, especially if you have SAD syndrome. Underneath. It's so cool. We found a secret window.
Yeah. It's gonna be fun. And the window that goes in there is in the shed.
I know. It's so cool.
So it's gonna look like that when we're done.
Yep, they'll be matching. I don't know why somebody would board up a window.
They like dark, I guess. I don't know.
So, but it's coming along.